What's up, guys? I have a random cut on my finger. I literally don't know why, but I just done my hands today. I got a scrunchie, a ring, then my normal red bracelet, and then along with my other ring. Today we are doing Sonria Slime review. I'm probably butchering that, but it came with some candy. It was a really big candy, but I guess the only bad thing is that some slimes build on it. But other than that, her care bag was so cute. And then it came with her little card and then a little sticker that I'm probably going to put on my laptop. And this little sticker for the borax bag was so cute. And I apologize if my voice sounds a little raspy. It's been really cold here in California. But anyways, this is strawberry shortcake bar, and the next one is Cookie Monster, and the last one is Buncha crenshaw. And I've been wanting to get her slimes for a while, and I'm so glad I got to get my hands on it. So we're gonna take a look at this first one, strawberry shortcake bar. I did have to activate it a little just because it was a little liquidy, and I'm kind of confused because it's been cold here, but it probably was just in transit for a while. Came with this cute strawberry charm, and here I am just activating it. I did have to activate this a little more, so I'm guessing that she just had it sitting for a while because I don't think it would get this underactivated within the short time that she shipped it. But here I am just trying to activate it, and I really love the red little bits she had because it really did make it look like it was a strawberry shortcake bar. And you can see the problem I'm having where it's still a little more sticky and I needed to keep adding activator. Other than activating it so much, I really do like the slime, and it's a classic, like, Rice Krispie slime. I know it's not Rice Krispie, but it's just, like, that's the only texture I can really say. But I really love the red bits, I love the charm, and there's nothing really wrong about it other than just activating it. Next one we have is Cookie Monster, and I was really excited for this, but unfortunately it did kind of mix during shipping and it was kind of sideways, so I don't know. I would just recommend next time maybe put the clay separate, and this is just me testing if it needed activator, and it definitely did. So I really think this was one of those things where she maybe let it set too long, but I would definitely say to get the full experience, you should maybe package the clay separately. So I did find two charms in this, and she actually makes these charms, which is really cool, but yeah. So this is what I mean by activating it. I really think she should make it a priority to check the slimes before she ships it out. Or maybe this was over shipping, I don't know, but it really took away from the experience of actually mixing it in, and it did make it kind of hard, but I still really enjoyed the slime itself. One thing I forgot to mention is the scent. Oh my god, it smells like Cocoa Puffs, and I just really can't explain it. It's my favorite scent I've ever smelled on a slime. So the last slime I bought from her is called Buncha crenshaw, and this really cool pigment kind of radiating off of it, which I didn't see online. But first initial thing, I didn't choose to activate it because it had more clay than it did slime in my opinion. So I just started playing with it, and I really love the texture. The scent is kind of like the Cocoa Puffs one, but a little more chocolatier, if that makes sense. But I think the only complaint I always have is that I do need to activate it a little because it's very thin, and I think that could be a problem when you're trying to stretch it. But I found these little charms. I literally thought there was just one, but then I found like 5, and I'm like, oh, there's probably like 10 in here. Thank you guys so much for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. If you liked anything you saw, give it a thumbs up, comment down below. I really enjoy the feedback, and I'll try to respond to all of you, and look out for a new slime video review next week.